Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I had a question today in my video for Meijer about how I knew these Pantene hair masks were completely free. So I'm going to talk about that now and show you how to figure it out yourself and show you that this deal does actually work. So let's check it out.
Welcome to Stop and Shana.
Alright, we're in the aisle. We're in the hair care aisle where all the Pantene is and everything. So I'm going to show you real quick. The deal this week is buy 3 Pantene, Head & Shoulders, Aussie, Old Spice, or the Gillette or Venus disposable razors. You're going to get $3 off instantly. So I have a freebie deal for this. The hair masks, which are located at least at my store in the very top shelf here, they're $1.99 each. So here's one of them right here. You're going to grab 3 of them. $3 is going to come off instantly, and there's a 3 off 3 digital coupon, and it will lower down to the 99 cents each. So it's going to end up making these completely free, and let me show you. So I had a question on my last video for Meijer from Kelly Hale about the 3 off 3 Pantene. Now it specifically says on the coupon that it is excluding the hair mask. However, you can see very clearly inside the app or online that the coupon is attaching to the hair mask. So let me show you. So some of you were asking, how did I figure out this deal? Well, it was pretty simple. So I'm going to show you how you can check a deal yourself. So simply go into the Meijer app and you are going to go up to the search product and you're going to look up Pantene hair masks. Search it out. And it should pop up. It pops up second here on my list. You'll see that not only is $1.99, there is an imperk that is connected. So if I want to see what imperk is connected, I'm just going to click it. At that point, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see that 3 off 3. So we know this coupon is attaching to this product. Now I know when I buy 3 of them, I'm going to get that 3 off 3, plus the promotion is 3 off instantly at checkout when you purchase 3. So we're going to add to cart, then we're going to view the cart. So I want you to check this out. Now, even though it does say estimated totals $4.95, that is the pickup fee. So subtract that $4.95 there. You're going to see the item total is $5.97. That's $1.99 times 3. And then we have the imperks and promos that come off. So you have the $3 that came off for the imperk, plus the specials of $3 off, which is going to reduce down to the price. It's not going to give you overage. So that makes it completely free. And that is how I discovered that this was a free item. All right, now that we have picked up 3 of them, we're going to go head to checkout and we're going to see that this comes out completely free. I also have in my cart a gallon of milk, and I think I'm picking up a Cadbury egg for my husband, but you will see that these will be free. Alright, so I just want to show you the damage done. Alright, again, showing you the Pantene masks. They're 3 for $1.99. Took us up to $5.97. The imperk offer, $1 off, $1 off, $1 off, all came off. And then the extra $3 also came off, but it was limited 99 cents because that is the cost of the product, making all 3 of them completely free, just like I told ya. Alright guys, if you like this video and this how to figure out if you can get a freebie, give it a great big thumbs up. If you love Meijer, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure you check out the must do deals video this week because it is amazing. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you later. Bye guys.